Banggitin nyo yung silk ng 10 beses. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Silk, 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 silk.
Anong iniinom ng baka?
Water.
Milk.
1 point!
Ay! Diba? Ay! Baka ba ito?
Water kasi!
1 point, 1 point.
Mauding na.
Hawakan mo sa'yo, hawakan mo para sa gitna nyo. 1 point. What is the largest planet on solar system?
Jupiter.
Sun.
Jupiter.
Ay,
All one.
okay.
Anong sun?
What is the largest ocean on Earth?
Pacific Ocean.
Ano? Bataw-bataw pick.
Oh my God!
Ato ilan?
1 lang, 1.
One.
2 points, 2-1. It is called the basic unit of life.
Ano nga na pwede?
Choices.
Huwag ka na mag-choice.
Choices, atom, cell,
Cell.
Atom.
1 point, all 2. Cell.
Cell ba eh?
Largest mammal on Earth.
Mammal?
Elephant.
Ano? Whale? Blue whale.
Blue whale.
Blue whale pala yun! Sa...
3-1. 3-2.